Hello, little friends. Welcome to our channel, Toddler TV. Here we learn, laugh, and play together. Are you ready to have fun? So clap your hands and say with me, Toddler TV!
Today we're going to learn about yummy, juicy fruits. We'll see red, yellow, green, and even funny-shaped fruits. Are you ready to eat, play, and giggle with fruits? Let's go!
We will be learning these many yummy fruits today. Let's get started, little kids.
Apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. I'm apple, crunchy and sweet. Red or green, I'm fun to eat. Chomp, chomp, hear my beat. I am apple, my little kids.
Banana. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. I'm banana, yellow and bright. Peel me quick and take a bite. Oops, I slipped. What a funny sight. Look me, I am banana.
Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. I am orange, round and fun, full of juice and vitamin. Squirt, oops, got on your chin. Look me, little stars, I am orange. Mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. I'm mango, juicy and grand, the king of fruits across the land. Sticky fingers, oh so unplanned. See me, little kids, I am mango.
I am grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. Grapes are tiny and round, rolling, bouncing on the ground. Pop, pop sounds all around. I am grapes, little kids. Hello to me. I am guava. G-U-A-V-A. Guava. I'm guava, crunchy and bright, pink or white. I taste just right. Munch, munch all day and night. Say with me, little kids, guava.
Pear. P-E-A-R. Pear. I'm pear, shaped funny and wide, green and sweet with juice inside. Wobble, wobble, side to side. Oh, my dear, I am pear. Wow, I am strawberry. S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-Y. Strawberry. All strawberries are red and bright, with tiny seeds, a yummy bite. Leafy hat makes me look right. I am yummy strawberry. Wow, big, so big. I am watermelon. W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N. Watermelon. I'm watermelon,
big and round. Juicy red with seeds I've found. Spit them out, plop on the ground. Say hello to me, I am watermelon. Look at me, I am pineapple. 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 I'm pineapple, spiky outside. Cut me open, yellow inside. Don't hug me, I might poke your side. Say hello to me, I am pineapple. Look at me, I am pomegranate. P-O-M-E-G-R-A-N-A-T-E. Pomegranate. I'm pomegranate, seeds so red, like shiny jewels in my head. Pop, pop, juice everywhere I spread. Say hello to me, I am pomegranate. Look at me, I am kiwi. K-I-W-I, kiwi. I'm kiwi, fuzzy and small, green inside, the best of all. Tickle me, I'll make you fall. Say hello to me, I am kiwi. Yay! We had so much fun learning about fruits today. Thank you for watching and playing along with us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddler TV. Come join us next time for more giggles on Toddler TV. Till then, bye-bye!